Okay. Uh, Next topic is multicellular organisms. Uh, Basically, these multicellular organisms is you know very well. Earlier we have seen this multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms and organisms composed of many cells which are to varying degrees integrated and dependent. That is known as the multicellular animals. It is explained why some organisms are why some organisms are capable of surviving as a single cell, while others require many cells that are specialized to survive. And it can list example of multicellular organisms and describe their structure and function. Because you know these animals, when we are going to see these multicellular organisms, the example of multicellular organisms is the plant, animal, birds, and insects. And this is clearly learning the goals. List example of multicellular organisms and describe their structure and function. We have been talking about how cells are the building blocks of all organisms, because these cells and tissues, they are made up of the group of cells, and they are made up of the building structure. Uh, the cell organisms, what do you remember about yesterday lessons or today's lecture? It is one of the recall ideas now, and today we will be exploring multicellular organisms. The multicellular organisms is made up of more than one cell. Human, animals, plants are example of the multicellular organisms. Generally, humans are the multicellular organisms. Any other vertebrate animals or chordates, and plant also, they are one of the good example of multicellular organisms. मल्टीसेलर ऑर्गॅनिझम्समध्ये जर बघितलं आपण तर इट इज वन ऑफ द इच काइंड ऑफ सेल डज ए डिफरंट जॉब. इट्स शेप अँड स्ट्रक्चर हेल्प्स इट कॅरी आउट दिस जॉब. ब्रेन सेल्स, फॅट सेल्स, हार्ट सेल्स, red blood cells, nerve cells. Then the cell, tissues, organ system, it is one of the levels of organisms. And the multicellular organisms is the group of cells form the tissue, the group of tissue form the organs, the group of organs form the systems. The multicellular organisms is the cell, tissue, organ and system. The muscle cell, muscles, tissue, muscles and muscular system. The multicellular organisms is the many type of the animals like cell, tissue, organ and body system, and it is comparing the unicellular and multicellular. तुम्ही जर मल्टीसेलर आणि युनिसेल्युलरची कंपॅरिझन केलं तर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की युनिसेल्युलर म्हणजे सिंगल सेल, मल्टीसेल्युलर म्हणजे मेनी सेल्स, and it directly from their surroundings, while multicellular organisms have system for moving materials throughout their body, and a system is a group of parts that work together. To summarize, the unicellular single cell organisms can perform all of life's functions within a single cell. The multicellular many celled organisms have the many cells that each perform a special task and they need all of these different kinds of cells working together in order to survive. So this multicellular and unicellular, it is one of the made from the organisms. So in the organisms, living biological entity such as plant, animals, then fungus, bacteria are resembling the living creatures in structure and functionally and their behavior of the animals. Okay. Then we have seen this major example of or this unicellular organisms. Unicellular organism is an organism that is made up of single cell and life processes, such as not only the single cell or there many life processes is there, the reproduction, feeding, digestion, excretion occurs in a one single cell. So this is the organ system of the body. Example of unicellular organisms is like the amoeba, bacteria and planktons. In the plankton there are very small microscopic plankton up to the 0.5 microns, that is nanoplankton, ultraplanktons. So these are the very microscopic planktons. But these unicellular organisms are typical microscopic which cannot be seen with the naked eyes. तुम्ही जर बघितलं तर हे मायक्रोस्कोपिक आहे युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आणि तुम्ही सहज डोळ्यांनी पाहू शकणार नाही. युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आर ऑफ डिफरंट टाइप्स including the bacteria, protozoa and unicellular fungi. Later there are many processes is there. Asexual reproduction is the famous among unicellular organisms. To make your understanding below are the details of type of bacteria. Now what is the unicellular organisms of the type? When we are going to see the unicellular type is, this is the living organisms and it is also the prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms.